There's no product on this hair. There is, matter of fact, finger test. Finger test. Ah, that is beautiful. These curls are juicy. You hear me? Juicy. And I only used some conditioner. I didn't even use no curling enhancing products or nothing.
So here's the box that it came in, as well as a quick glimpse of how this wig looks before I put it on my head.
Hey beauties, so today will be a very easy install on a 13x4 transparent lace kinky curly wig, and I'm very excited to install this because I'm gonna go for that no part look. So we're gonna see how that's going to work out. This hair is from Beauty Forever. All the information on this hair will be down below, so stay tuned to see if you're interested, because I know those intro clips got you wondering. But let's just hop right into it. This will be a top through install her, but I'm gonna take her off. I do have some braids underneath. This is what we're looking like right now. I don't do a ball cap method, so instead of doing a ball cap, I do put a cap on, and this is a cap that I have added a little bit of my foundation shade to it. One thing I like to do to make sure my hair is out of the way, because I do have some like edges, baby hair, whatever you want to call them, that grows in my face. I'm gonna take some Got2b glue gel just to get them brushed back, and then I'm gonna put my cap over it and slightly slide it back. I don't use much. Then I'm taking my edges toothbrush, and that just helps to make sure my hair is going to be out of the way, not being tugged on by this wig. Cap, and then slide it back just a little, like so. You guys saw the wig. This is another glimpse at it. So pretty. To help tint the lace, I will be going in with this even lace tint. This is like, I call it their splatter. It's for wig knots, and it's a powder, but that's what it looks like. I've been using this lately, and I'm liking it. The local beauty supply store I went to was out of the lace tint spray, so I want to try something new. Okay, it is a lot of lace, so I'm just gonna cut some of that lace off. Be careful if you do this, because you don't want to cut too high up and mess up the lace that you actually want to lay down. I've done that before. As you guys can see, it comes with preset baby hairs. Okay, yes, that can definitely be worn glueless. What I'm about to do is just cut this lace off, and then we're going to style. If you don't feel comfortable cutting your lace on your head, you can literally cut it, you know, off, not on your head. And I'm gonna take my dimming brush and get some of these curls activated. Oh wow, these curls are so juicy. No curling products. So y'all, this is the wig. It's actually my hair. How about that? All right, so for these baby hairs, let's use some mousse. I got some Lotta Body. Let's see how you want to do this. So I'm pushing back all of the adult wig hairs. Y'all, it came pre-plucked. Like, I didn't have to do anything. I think that makes it that much more amazing. Now, if you don't want that middle piece, you can literally, look, all this is the wig. You can pluck out that middle piece of baby hairs if you don't want them. Y'all, that was so simple. Oh my goodness. Ba-ba-da-ba. Glueless. All right, y'all, so that is it for this video. Stay tuned to the end to see some clips of this hair dried, but I'm liking what it looks like. These curls are juicy. You hear me? Juicy. And I only used some conditioner. I didn't even use no curling enhancing products or nothing. Water and conditioner, and this is what the hair is looking like. It's beautiful. Again, thank you so much to Beauty Forever Hair. All the information on this hair will be down below in my description box, so please feel free to check it out if you want some curly hair that is definitely doing what it's. Very quick install, under 10 minutes, glueless. If you want to glue it down, you know, you can use your glue. You can do whatever you need to do what you do. All right, so I'm at the point in the video where I'm about to go. Happy Vlogmas, you all, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.